You that hide behind walls, you that hide behind desks, I just want you to know I can see through your masks. You that never have done nothing but to build to destroy, you play with my world like your little toy. You put a gun in my hand and you hide from my eyes. Then you turn around, follow when the fast bullets fly. Like Judas the fool, you lie and deceive. A world war can be won. You want me to believe, but I see through your eyes, and I see through your brain. I can see through the water that runs down my drain. You that fasten all the triggers for the others to fire, and you sit back and watch while the death count gets high. You hide in your mansions while young people's blood flows out of their bodies and gets buried in the mud. You've thrown the worst feed that can ever be heard, feed to bring children into this world, for threatening my baby unborn in our names. You ain't worth the blood that runs in your veins. How much do I know to talk out of turn? You might say that I'm young, you might say I'm unlearned, but there's one thing I know: though I'm younger than you, even Jesus would never forgive what you do. Let me ask you one question: is your money that good? Will it buy you forgiveness? Do you think that it could? I think you will find when your death takes its toll, all the money you made won't ever buy back your soul. That you die, and your death will come soon. I'll follow your casket through the pale afternoon, and I'll watch while you lowered into your deathbed. Then I'll stand on your grave till I'm sure that you're dead. Was eine Abrechnung von Bob Dylan. Aktueller, leider aktueller denn je.